Yo, guys, so if you're not in my Telegram channel, I'm missing a lot. This is another opportunity that I'm going to show you that you can use to win a free funded account. So this is my Telegram channel right now. When you come here, you see a lot of updates right here, even ones that I don't have a video on them. You can even chat me directly from here. I share signals from here, updates about free funded account. Anything you need to know, you can see this giveaway was hold right there. So you can just come there. I'm not promising you for anything. When we get it through our research, we will share with you. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys. So I have a lot for you guys. I have a lot for you guys. So make sure you join the Telegram channel. So let's now jump straight to our main video or our main topic for today on how you can get an account from this simple video or update that I'm going to show you. Remember, the update is publicly available on the internet. You can also go and do your own research about it. With that being said, let's get started. So right here, I have to take you to my Discord channel right here. This is where I used to get a lot of updates. So if you also need that, make sure you join a lot of profile Discord channel or server to get more updates from them. So this one is going to be a quick one. We are even late. That is why I said you have to subscribe to my channel for quick updates and all that. Okay, so this one is going to end just today. So those who are watching the video, just exactly that I'm going to upload, they will get a chance to enter this particular one. So yours is to subscribe and follow me closely. You will definitely get an account. A lot of people are winning account from my updates. Okay, so let's jump onto this one. So this is an instant how do you call it? Instant funding. Okay, instant funding, and they are doing X-ray share post giveaway. X-ray share post giveaway. This was the announcement made right here. Okay, so this announcement was made on the 10th of January, and I'm recording this video on the 12th of January, which is the ending date. Okay, so price that has been allocated for this update is 10 times 1.2 50 instant funding account. Okay, so that is it. 30 and then also 30 plus point to 30 people. Winner will be selected randomly from the thread. Okay, so this is how you have to follow the instruction to get into this thread. Okay, they are going to pick random people, 30 people for the plus point and 10 people for the instant funding account. So first you have to go to the twist, which is the link right here. I'll post it in the Telegram channel. When you are there, you have to follow this instruction. Follow the account that posted it and then follow this one to instant funding as well. And then you retweet. After you retweet, take a screenshot. So you come back to this place and then do what? Come back to this thread below and then reply with a screenshot of your engagement. Okay, that is all. It ended in 2 days, so it's left with 1 day. This is the last day before I got this update. This one, we have entered it very late. So if you're watching the video the next day, remember it has expired. Okay, so this is it. Just come here, verify by clicking any emoji right here. All right, and then after that, when you are verified, just click on the thread right here, click on this message, and then it will send you to the thread where you have to upload your screenshot. Okay, it's very, very simple. Nothing more, nothing less. This is it. So this is it. So jump to present. Okay, when you jump to present, you can send your message quickly right there. Okay, it's very simple. Guys, this is what I have for you guys today. So remember not to forget to subscribe to the channel. So here you can add, click on the plus sign, and then you upload your screenshot. That is it. All right. Goodbye and see you tomorrow on another update.